In this video, let's talk about how to manage the Telegram storage. By using the feature inside of the Telegram, you can prevent the app from consuming too much space automatically. So what you can do is head over to the app of Telegram and then head over to the three lines on the top left. From this section, head over to settings, and then if you scroll down, you'll see a section called data and storage. Inside of this section, you'll have different options. The first one you'll need to head over to is storage uses. It's going to show you the exact amount of storage your entire Telegram is now taking and all of the percentage each of these sections are consuming. If you want to remove all of them all at once, you can just tap on the clear cache option. Apart from that, you also have the automatic way of removing these items that are received on your Telegram. For example, if you tap on the private chat option, you can set a time period when all of your private chats or the cached media inside of your private chats are automatically deleted. You can repeat the same process for group chats, channels, or stories. If you're someone that has joined a lot of channels, it's going to be very important in order for you to set up a clear cache timer so that the channels do not take a lot of your space. So if you do want to clear out all of your caches all at once, you can tap on the clear cache option. And it says right here, all media will stay in Telegram Cloud and can be re-downloaded if you need them again. So just tap on this option and your storage now has been cleared. Now, apart from these storage users, you do have the option called automatic media download, meaning all of the media that you receive on your Telegram will be automatically downloaded on your phone. If you want to exclude this, you just need to toggle these options off so that any media receiving on your Telegram will not be downloaded. Also, make sure that the save to gallery option is also toggled off so that any media is not downloaded on your phone. So those are the few things that you can follow in order to manage the Telegram storage. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.